All right, sixth grade. Today with IXL, we're going to be using our calculators and we're going to be looking for certain numbers that make a division equation true. And what we mean by true is we don't end up with a remainder. All right, so as you can see here, one of your questions was 46404 divided by 8. So I put that in my calculator and I got back a whole number. I didn't have a decimal. So you would click yes, that number is divisible by 8. Okay, so the first few set of questions are going to ask you just simply is the number divisible by that number. Then you're going to run into these questions where it says to type a digit that makes this statement true. All right, so there's a few ways you can do this. If you know your divisibility rules, you can use that. You can do also type in random numbers in your calculator if you want to move up through 1 through 9. So for instance, I would type in 156 3 4 1 and see if it's divisible by 5. And it's not. See how I got a decimal. Okay, so that means it's not divisible by 5. But since I know my divisibility rules, anything that ends with a 0 or ends with a 5 means that it is divisible by 5. All right, so I'm going to use the 0. So I'm going to say 156 3 4, and in the blank box I'm going to put a 0 in there, and then divided by 5, and I got a whole number for my answer, no decimal. So go ahead and put the 0 in and use whatever comes first. 0 comes before 5. All right, and it works. All right, so you're going to run into those two types of questions. Make sure you can use your calculator and your divisibility rules and see if you can get to your SMART score of 100.